Lambton, Kent, Middlesex.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. My question today is for the Premier. On March 24th, the MPP from Northumberland, Quinte West, will be in Thetford, in the municipality of Lambton Shores in my riding, for a public meeting about the government's plan to close more rural schools. Curiously, the invitation sent by the Issues Management team at the Ministry of Education specifies that, and I quote, photography and video recording does not occur once the engagement session begins, unquote. Speaker, Heather Wright, publisher of the Petrolia Independent, calls it a shameful excuse to limit press freedom and a trampling over the very basic freedoms of the press. Speaker, the Premier's plans to fast-track the closure of more rural schools is not only an important issue in my riding of Lambton, Kent, Middlesex, but all across the province. Will the Premier direct the Ministry of Education to lift the media blackout on this so-called public meeting, or will the government continue to close more rural schools under a veil of secrecy?
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. And I know the Minister of Education is going to want to speak to the supplementary. But, Mr. Speaker, over my years as a parent and as a member of a school council, Mr. Speaker, and as a school trustee and as a community member, Mr. Speaker, I've been to more education consultations than I can count, Mr. Speaker. And what I know is that at those meetings, there are people who want to be on the public record and who want to speak out, and then there are people who want to talk about an issue but actually don't want it to become a public discussion. And what we need at a meeting like the one that's happening around the rural schools and community schools is we need everybody to feel free to speak, Mr. Speaker. And of course, the Minister of Education will always speak to the media. There will always be opportunities for the media to know what the discussion is about. But, Mr. Speaker, people need to be able to speak free.